Assalamualaikum dear all. Today we will be discussing about past papers of CSS 2000 and we will find out the mistakes, the major mistakes that we need to find out in CSS original paper. So आज जो हम डिस्कस करेंगे 2000 के पेपर पे CSS के जिसमें जो मिस्टेक्स आती हैं वो हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे. So let's see the first question that was asked in CSS 2000, that was the lake phrased, the lake rapidly जो होगा freezed, rapidly जो होगा वो freeze नहीं होता है, froze होता है. इस correct past tense is froze, F-R-O-Z-E is the correct answer. The lake froze rapidly. Number second जो क्वेश्चन आया था correct the following sentences में से वो था the film was unwilling to forgo its usual commission. So we had to find out the error. The error was the film was unwilling to decide, not forgo. You can see on the screen, not forgo, but it was to decide its commission. So we watched the lambs gamble. We watched the lambs gamble on the green. It was incorrect sentence. The correct sentence was we watched the lambs gambling on the green. Gambling on the green होगा, gamble नहीं होगा. So another number 4 sentence was asked. He belonged to the guild of carpenters. So this was incorrect sentence. The correct one was he belonged to the guild. It was spelling mistake, not G-I-L-D, not G-I-L-D guild, but it was G-U-I-L-D guild. So this was the correct option. Second was that he hadn't ought to have spoken. He hadn't ought to have spoken. This was also an incorrect sentence. The correct sentence will be he ought not to speak. You can see on the screen, he ought not to speak. He ought not to speak. This is the correct form of the sentence. Say number 6 was, is this his half brother? This was an incorrect sentence. It was, is this his half brother? His hoga, is he his half brother? Hey, watch out for the car. Hey, watch out for the car नहीं होगा. So this is an incorrect sentence. Watch out for the car नहीं होगा, watch out the car होगा. This is the correct answer. और number 8 question था, this is the historical spot where he was shot dead. This is the historical spot where he was shot dead. This was the incorrect sentence. The correct sentence was this is the historic spot, not historical spot. Historical spot जो है is a totally incorrect sentence word. Is a historic spot. We brought a Japanese print. तो यहाँ पे Japanese print नहीं होता. It's not the Japanese print. It's a Japanese print. So correct answer will be Japanese print. Okay. So fresh flowers smell sweetly. This was the last that was asked. That fresh flowers smell sweetly. So keep in mind that sweetly is the wrong word. We cannot say that small fresh flowers smell sweetly. It smells sweet. The correct word will be smell sweet. So this was the past paper 2000. We were asked to find out the errors, major errors in sentences and to rectify them. So hope you understood well. And do let me know in the comments below if you could not understand, and subscribe my channel if you want more videos, and we will come up with the next videos and we will correct the 2001 up to 2020 past papers of CSS English composition. Till that, Allah Hafiz.